Hello and welcome to UCS 200 in the spring 2018 semester. I am Dr. Place, and I am currently the Assistant Dean for the Office of Extended Learning at Widener University. I have been teaching this course for 3 years now, and I am excited that we are now in Canvas. So today I'm going to show you a few things in the course just to orient you, and then you will be free to move about the modules as you'd like. So when you come into the course, you are going to see UCS 200 as an option under all courses. You may need to add a star next to that course so that it appears in your dashboard. Once you are in the course, this is what it will look like for you. The home page will always be the course description and the syllabus. You can click right here on the syllabus to bring up another page with the PDF. You can also click some links below to learn different things about the course. So the About Your Teacher section, you will not be able to see now, but you will. The learning modules are going to be most important for you, and I want to show you how to move from one module to another. So for this week, if you click into our overview and to-do list, you'll see that I'll be posting this introduction video where the brackets are, and your to-do list for this week includes posting an introduction to the class, reviewing the syllabus, and checking out the various modules and other aspects of the course environment. When you're in the modules, you can move to the next module by clicking the next button, and the next page will come up. So you never need to leave this modules section. This is a video that I'd like you to watch this week. You can then move right over into the discussion session, and this will be posted on the 16th at midnight, so you can begin participating. This will bring you directly to the syllabus, and I do encourage you to read the entire syllabus. And then after that, you will take a brief quiz about the syllabus, and once you hit submit, you have finished your work for the week. The important thing to note is that the discussion is something that you should continue to come back to throughout the week. So you will want to check that every couple days or so to see if anyone has commented either on your posts or if you would like to comment on someone else's post. If you have any questions, you can reach me at the information listed on the syllabus, and I am happy to answer any of your questions. Welcome to the class.